Hi, and welcome to this new video from Jrich. In this video, I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to be talking about how I generated these 6 figures, and I'm going to be giving you a good training and lesson on how you can do it as well. So stay to the end, and I'm going to make a special offer to you, my subscribers and fans, and thank you for watching these videos, and I hope you continue to watch them. So let's get straight in. So this is what I'm going to cover today. So basically, I'm going to cover how I created a wildly profitable campaign on Taboola, the importance of your mindset, of feeling good, of how you should approach your campaigns, how you should approach Taboola, talking about the campaign that has done over 6 figures, talking about the markets, ads, and so on. And as you can see here, the other processes that you need to apply now to your Taboola AdSense businesses to be successful. So let's just jump straight into the mindset. The mindset necessary to create this level of results is something that myself personally, I've studied a lot to master, which is feeling good, acting on processes or systems that you know will work is key. A lot of people will do random things and obviously just make mistakes and not really think it through what they're doing and try to get the results straight away. When you approach these kind of businesses, you have to approach it with a long-term mindset where you are willing to invest the time and the effort to create results. But obviously, you want to use leverage, which is why you're interested in this course and why you follow someone like me, because obviously I can speed up that process and help you create your Taboola AdSense success a lot faster. So again, for those of you who are interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the Facebook link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola campaigns. So again, this success started when I changed my mindset, and that mindset obviously was to, feel good, approach it in the right manner with the right enthusiasm, and then you're able then to see things that you didn't see before and able to, create results like this. But obviously, mindset in itself is a whole process that we can get into another time. It's one of my favorite topics that I love talking about. But at the end of the day, you're here for results. So again, another thing is you really want to spend your time focusing on that campaign. There's something that I learned early in my business success, which is make every action you do a success. So every campaign, when you're creating it, you want to create it in a successful way. You want to put the maximum effort you can into per campaign, and by doing that, you can create a really super successful, profitable campaign. And what I mean by a success is you have to understand the variables of the campaign. So the variables of the campaign are things like the funnel, the targeting, the CPC. It's the same principles again and again and again. So that means once you understand what the principles are, you can focus on them daily. So I'd ask you, how much time are you spending on campaigns? How much time are you spending on the funnel? How much time are you spending on the targeting and the CPC today? How much time are you spending creating and studying your competition in those areas? That's where all the money is in any business, online, funnel, campaigns, and targeting and CPC. So it's very important that you understand that. And that's the effort it takes. So when I'm training my clients or training my fans on the YouTube, I want them to understand that go to the spy tools, study the competition, take your time, find that campaign that you think is going to be a winning campaign. It's very vital because obviously once you find that campaign, it unlocks the code to starting to make money and profits and getting successful at what you're doing. So obviously once you have the campaign, the next thing you're looking at, obviously that's the campaign, but before the campaign, obviously is the market. You really want to go in deep, study what the markets are, study what markets get the highest AdSense CPCs, really make sure you target markets that are profitable. That's key. The difference between 2 markets is massive. One market might get 0.01p a click, another market might get $1 a click. So it's subjective to obviously how you set up your funnel as well and the ads and the process, but overall the market makes a massive difference. So you need to make sure you spend enough time there, and once you get that profitable market, you want to do more campaigns and focus, and then you want to build out the site around that market, which then allows you to create more success from your Taboola AdSense campaigns. Then obviously you need to leverage those proven ads. You need to find proven ads. You need to make sure that those ads are profitable, that they're passive, that they're consistent. You need to make sure that they've been running a long time, and so on. And by doing that, you're able to find ads that work. And then it's the funnel. Again, the funnel is so vital. We have two things we want to achieve, or three things we want to achieve from the funnel. You want to achieve maximum RPU, you want to achieve compliancy with AdSense, and also you want to achieve value for the customer so that they browse the site and click the ads. Those are the three things you want to focus on. So obviously you need to spend some time here because this is massive. Revenue per user is how much you get back per customer you send. So obviously if you send 2 customers or 3 customers or 4 customers, if you send 10 customers, for example, and your RPU as $1, that's $10 back. If your revenue per user is 1 cent, that's 10 cents back. That's a huge difference when you're buying traffic, isn't it? So obviously if you're bidding 1 cent and your RPU is 1 cent, you're going to break even. If you're bidding 1 cent and your RPU is 2, you're going to make 100% ROI or profit. So return on your investment, obviously, not including other costs. But this is vital when you're building out your Taboola AdSense business. And then obviously bidding profitably is key. Way to bid, the way to set up, the way to make sure that you get the best, come up on the best ideas, and the way to set up the bidding structure so that you're able to consistently and passively, because that's key as well. Remember, these campaigns are passive as well, as you can see by my daily videos. So bidding correctly, it allows you to create passive income. So you need to understand that process and really focus on it. And then obviously set up the campaign. How many ads in one campaign, whether we should do one or multiple, how to break out the campaigns that work, focusing on the highest revenue ads and so on, that then allows you to structure it in the right way. And then finally, obviously, I scaled the campaign, by using multiple different means. One is by CPC, another is by targeting. There's multiple ways you can scale. You can take the ads to other accounts. You can take the ads